Hello, welcome to the new video session of C programming, and this is Shaji. So in the previous video we have seen how to use if construct, the selective construct. So if you want to do some execution selectively, some block of code, should it be executed or not selectively, then we have to go for selective execution and we can use if construct for it for the selective execution. And we have seen how to use nesting of if, how to use one if inside another if and all. So in this video we will see another selective construct which is called switch case. Switch case can be used more or less similar way that of if construct, but if you have many choices to select or if you have many options to switch in between, then switch construct is better than if. But if you have only one selection out of 2 or 3, then it is better to use if. If you have multiple choices to switch in between, then we can go for switch case selective statements. Sorry, here we will try switch with the help of a program. So in the programming, classical style of programming, we have to give the comment line for the program for improving the readability, debugging and all. So I'm going to start giving comments for our programs. For PRG, program to implement a calculator. So actually the idea of this program is that I will get 2 numbers from the user and I will do an arithmetic operation, depends upon the user's choice. So if the user is asking for addition, then the system will switch for addition, and if user is asking for subtraction, so that it can be switched between different arithmetic operations. That's what the program is supposed to do. Enter a number. This is for addition. So scanf, here we are going to read it. So %d comma some variable. We haven't initialized any, declared any variable yet. Int a comma b comma answer. So we have 3 variables here. So enter a number. So first number can be read to the variable a, and the second number variable can be read to b. So here actually we have to read 2 numbers, first number and another number. So 2 numbers already there. So using a b for scanf, you have to use the reference, that is ampersand a and ampersand b we have to use, then only the program will be working properly. So these 2 values are read and stored in the variables a as well b. So now we can go for addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, but the problem is we have to ask the user what you want to perform with these 2 numbers. So here enter your choice. So here user is going to give his choice. One for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, and 4 for division. So in this program, the program will ask a choice for the user whether you want add, subtract, multiply or divide. Scanf percentage d percentage d comma ampersand choice. So we should have a variable choice of integer type, choice scanf. So now we can really start the iteration operation. So when we run the program, first it will ask for a number, then the second number, third it will ask for a choice. So user should enter 1 if the process required is addition, and he should enter 2 if it is subtraction, 3 for multiplication and 4 for the division. That's what it is given here. And so the choice, usage choice 1 2 3 4, whatever it is read here. So now we have to start the switch, the selective construct called switch case. Switch, we have to give choice, we have to switch on the choice according to the value of choice, and here case, the first case 1, if it is 1, what to do? So I'm going to copy paste it. So the choice 2, choice 3 and choice 4. If it is choice 1, what to do? That we have to specify here. So we have a variable called ans. So ans equal to a plus b if it is a case of addition. So if user is asking for addition, then we can go for this choice, and if user is asking for the choice of subtraction, then we can go for minus, and user if going for the choice of multiplication, then we can multiply these numbers, or else we can go for division. So anyhow, according to the usage choice, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication or division, any one of the process will be done here. And yeah, that's it. Here we can give the answer. Result is, we can display the result, and percentage d, of course it is going to be an integer number, comma ans, whatever be the answer will be there in the variable called ans. I suppose it is done. So initially we read 2 numbers here, and we read the choice, and according to the choice we did the switching. If the choice is 1, this code alone will be executed and break from the switch, and if the choice is 2, then subtraction will be done. If choice is 3, then multiplication is done. If choice is 4, division is done. And whatever be the case, the value is stored, the answer is there in a variable called ans, and we are going to do this answer as well. So let me save this program, switch.c. This is a switch case application. So let me to compile and run. Let me see if there any error or not. Okay, there is error because I did some typing mistake. scanf I wrongly typed. Again we will go for compilation. So this time no error, successfully compile, enter a number. It's asking for a number. I'm going to give 12, first number, second number 23, and now it is asking for a choice 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to add these two numbers 1, so the result is 35. So these two numbers, if you add, we will get an answer 32. I want to give a little break here. I'm going to insert a slash in here. Okay, let me execute it once again. Compile and run. No error, no one. Perfect. 12, 90, and this time I want to subtract. I want to find the difference. Oh, sorry, I typed a wrong value. Okay, that also we can see. If suppose if you are giving some wrong value, what it should do. So that also we have to handle in our program. 89. If you want subtraction, then the choice is to have you to. Okay, I got a negative value because the first number is smaller. Execute, run. So 11 and 90. This time I am going to multiply. The choice is 3. Yeah, I'm getting the multiplication value here. And let me run it once. For the division, I'm going to give one value and another value, okay. Anyhow, it is asking for division. I'm dividing it with 4, so I'm getting an answer 4 because the remainder is ignored. So this way the program will work. But the problem is, if you give some other choice, the wrong choice, then the program will be in a confusion. We have to overtake it. For that we have to give one more thing, that is default, default, default. Then we can give a statement here. We can print wrong choice. Wrong choice. So try again. So if the choice is wrong, then we have to give it. When it is wrong, then I don't have to print the output, and I'm going to exit in the case of wrong choice for this program. Okay, I suppose this is done, and let me compile and run. So here I am going to give a number here, I am going to give another number here, I am going to give a wrong choice. Wrong choice, try again. So this program, yeah, it's a calculator. We can do some calculation with two numbers here. With this switch case construct, we can go for addition, division, subtraction, multiplication according to our choice. If you want to do add, then we will be giving 1 for the choice of operation. Then the program will choose only this area, and if our choice is 2, then it will choose only this block, and if our choice is 3, then it will choose only this block. In case of 4, it will choose only this block. And if you give something else which is not valid, then it will come directly here, print the message and exit. And surprisingly, we have one more thing to see here, because in C, I suppose there is one more operator. Okay, I'll give 5 there, and that operator, arithmetic operator, is modulus operator. This will give the remainder value of a division. So here I can give the next option, choice 5. The operator is mod, division operator. So here it will go for the division operator, then that means the remainder operation. So let us try it again, compile and run. So asking for a number to enter, so I'm going to give 13 here, and if I give 2, of course I will get a remainder 1, and the option is 5 for the remainder operation. Yeah, answer is 1. So this operator, remainder operator, will give the result as the remainder of the division, of the integer division. So this is what switch case is. And something which we have to notice here is, okay, in one of the previous classes I must have told about this commenting. If you want to comment certain things, multiple lines, then you can start with a /* and you can end the comment with // that means this part of the program will not be considered by the compiler. In the same way, if you want to just comment one line, it is easy to give a // so that this command will not be executed. So I have commented all the breaks, that means the break will not be there. If suppose in your program, if there is no break, then what will happen? This is very crucial and critical. Let us try it. Why we need this break here? Execute, compile and run. Errors no, warning no. So I'm going to enter a number 12. I'm going to enter another number 3, and I'm going for the addition option, and let us see, it is giving wrong choice. How it is coming? Because after this option, this will execute, this will execute, this will execute, this will execute, and this will execute, and here it will print wrong choice, try again, then it will exit from the program itself. So this break is very much necessary for our program, otherwise we will not reach into the correct position even if you give the right choice. So if you have a break, once if it is entering into case 1, then it will exit out of the switch construct, and it will go to the statement just after the switch construct. So this is what switch case statement is. The same program we can do with the help of if else combination with multiple if else construct, but this is simple and easy, so that debugging clarity of the program will be much better in the case of switch case if you use switch case for the program instead of if else construct. So I hope you could follow this program and this switch case selective construct if you have multiple selections, and the necessity of break in the case of switch case construct, a selective construct. Thank you for watching my this video, and my email ID is it_teacher1@yahoo.com. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.